Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel MatheMagic by Varuna. In the last video, we converted Roman numerals to numbers using rules of writing Roman numerals. Now over here in this video, we will convert numbers to Roman numerals again using those 5 rules that we have learned earlier. Now, first of all, let us recall those 7 numbers. Roman numerals. The first Roman numeral is I. I stands for 1. Then we have next V. V stands for 5. X stands for 10. L stands for 50. C stands for 100. And D stands for 500. M stands for 1000. These are the values of these Roman numerals in terms of numbers. Now the rules, let's just recall the rules quickly. Whenever a smaller value Roman numeral comes after the bigger one, say like this, V comes before, then I. Here the values are added. When the second rule, when the smaller Roman numeral comes before the bigger one, here the numbers are subtracted. Then we should know the third one, that V, L and D are never repeated. They cannot be repeated. Fourth rule, that I, X, C and M are repeated maximum up to 3 times, and the repetition is always added. The last rule was that we use the combination. We can use combination to form Roman numerals, to form numbers. So in a particular number, both addition and subtraction can come. So that's the last rule, which is the fifth rule. Okay. Now we will use these rules to form Roman numerals using from the numbers. Now let us learn that. Let us do that. Let's start from the first example. Here we can write this as if, let's just expand it. It becomes 560 plus 8. So we have converted 568 to 500 plus 60 plus 8. So let us expand it further. We know 60 can be written as 50 plus 10 and 8 can be written as 5 plus 3. Why am I doing it? Because I want to write in terms of Roman numeral values. Similarly, if I say 500 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 and 3 stands for 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now what do? We know 500 stands for D. 50 plus 10, 50 stands for L. Then we have plus 10x. 5 is B. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1, the symbol I can be repeated maximum 3 times. So this is the Roman numeral for 568. Now let us take the second example. We have number 74. Now when we have 74, let us expand it. 70 plus 4. Now 70 can be written as 50 plus 20. For 20, let's just write down 10 plus 10. And for 4, let us write 4 only. Or we can write down as 5 minus 1, because we know that the closest number to 4 in terms of Roman numerals value will be 5, and we'll write in 5 minus 1. So 50 over here stands for L. Then we have 2 10, so X and X. Now 5 minus 1, rule of subtraction is used over here. Since subtraction is used, this means that a smaller symbol will precede the bigger one. So we write on I, and the bigger one is V. Now let's see, I hope these 2 examples are clear. Let's erase them and move on to the third one. Now let us see 126. For 126, what do? We write on 100. Then we have 20 plus 6. Simple. 100. 20 can be written as 10 plus 10. 6 can be written as 5 plus 1. So this is very easy. 100 is C, 2x. Okay. 5 is V, and then we have I. So this is the Roman numeral for 126. Let us take the next example, 579. So 500, first step, then 70 plus 9. Okay, let's move forward. 500, 70 is 50 plus 10 plus 10. For 9, we can write, instead of writing 5 plus 4, 4 will be 4 i's, 1 plus 1 plus 1. But we know a symbol can be repeated maximum 3 times. So we can't use 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4 plus 4. So what will we use? 10 minus 1 over here. Let's convert that. So 500 is D. 50 stands for L. 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 is 10 plus 10, 2 x's, and 10 minus 1. Over here, subtraction rule is used. This means I will come before x. Now let's write down, convert 1661. So first of all, 1000 expansion 600 plus 60 plus 1. Okay. So it becomes 1000. 600 can be written as 500 plus 100. 60 can be written as 50 plus 1. Oh, sorry, 50 plus 10 and then 1. So this is very direct. 1000 is M. 500 stands for D. 100 stands for C. 50 is L. Then we have X as 10 and I as 1. So this is the Roman numeral for 1661. So it's all very simple. If we know 7 Roman numerals, their values, and if we remember the rules of addition, subtraction, and combination, repetition in Roman numerals, of writing Roman numerals, then this becomes very easy. Conversion of numbers to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to numbers becomes very easy. I hope this conversion is clear through this video. And let's meet in the next video to understand where Roman numerals are used in today's time. Thank you.